Hello my dear family and friends, welcome to Siri Kitchen Moments. Let's begin a lovely and yummy show that stars Onion Pakoda. Onion Pakoda is a perfect evening snack that is so delicate, mixed with spices, gram flour and rice flour, making the outer layer crispy and inside softer with onion slices. Every bite of the Onion Pakoda is so deliciously addictive, where the snack disappears within no time. These light crunchy bites are the best when served along with piping hot tea or when it rains or during snow time, and can pair it up with ketchups, dips or sauces, or can be eaten on its own without any accompaniments. Let's check out stepwise on how to make these onion pakodas. Take 2 onions, cut off both the ends, peel back the skin, wash and cut the onion in half through the end. Place the cut side down on the cutting board. Hold the half onion firmly and safely slice the onions through the natural lines that we see on the onion. As this onion pakoda recipe calls for sliced onions, safely slice them lengthwise. While slicing, eyes may burn and tears may roll down, so the best way is to work on slicing quickly to avoid the exposure for too long. Do not space out the cuts, but make more finer cuts to slice them thin and then break apart the slices. Now take 8 green chilies, wash, cut the end of the green chilies. By holding firmly, chop the green chilies very finely into tiny rounds. Adjust the number of green chilies as per your spice tolerance. Increase or reduce the green chilies accordingly. Keep both chopped green chilies and sliced onions aside. Just the way you turn out and like the most popular snacks, the same way please like this onion pakoda video as well. Now that we have our sliced onions and green chilies ready, add them to a mixing bowl. Add salt as per the taste, and it's time to nicely mix and squeeze for 3 minutes. Make sure you thoroughly wash your hands before touching any ingredients or mixing with hands. Mix well to release the moisture from onions. Then sprinkle 1 cup gram flour, half cup rice flour, and again mix well. Once mixed, mixture may look semi-dry. At this stage, sprinkle 3 tablespoons water and combine to make moist doughy mixture. Sprinkle water in between if required to make it moist. It depends on the onions and flour consistency, so keep kneading for 2 minutes until you get the right moist mixture. At this time, taste test the mix, and if needed, add salt as per your taste. Now that we have our moist batter ready, keep it aside and let it rest for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, do comment your feedback and please subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments channel. After 5 minutes of resting, heat a deep skillet and pour oil for deep frying on medium flame. When the oil is moderately hot, take tiny portion of dough as shown here and drop in the oil. It should not sink and also should not become brown instantly. The moment we drop a small portion of the dough, it must slowly rise and float above. This is when we can determine that the timing is right for deep frying. Now take small portion of the dough and gently drop in the oil. It must rise slowly. Repeat the process by taking small portions of dough ball and fry by evenly moving around the oil. Keep the flame on medium and fry evenly until they become crispier and nice golden color. When the pakodas are done, remove them to another bowl by placing a paper towel inside. Repeat the process for other batches by dropping small portions of dough in the oil. Evenly fry, and when golden and crisp, transfer to a bowl. Onion pakodas are ready to be served hot at tea time in the evenings or when it rains or snows. These crispy onion pakodas are eaten fresh on its own or served with ketchups or dips. Sprinkle some chaat masala if you like. This onion pakoda is so perfectly crunchy and comes together as a delicious crispy snack. Please like this classic onion pakoda recipe video and share your valuable feedback. Also do subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments channel and hit that bell icon to get the latest video notifications. Hugs and love from Siri Kitchen Moments. Thank you.